everyone, I'm Joey, year 2, currently taking Infrastructure and Project Management, often known as IPM. A little history about myself is that I studied in Anderson Serangoon Junior College, and the subject combi that I took was Mathematics, Physics, Econs, and Geography. The picture on the bottom left is me and my friend Kathy. She is also another IPM kid together with me. Let me share with you more about our academics in Infrastructure and Project Management. This is my timetable. And currently, I'm going to school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday because currently I'm staying in hall and I have the flexibility to do so. But if I were to choose to squeeze everything in 1 or 2 days, it is also possible. And the photo on the bottom left are the courses that I've cleared so far. And these are pretty interesting modules, especially for the common curriculum courses because it's a good exposure for all of us and they are all very interesting. We even get to build our robot car. And something more about IPM is that we get to learn law and also measurements or even construction technology. So these terms may sound very chim, but if you come to IPM, you will know that they are actually very interesting modules where you can learn how to calculate or do a budget estimation for projects and how are buildings being built. And let me share with you more about our IPM professors. First of all, it's definitely Prof. Gabriel Kaur. He is one of the first IPM professors that most of our students will meet and interact with because he teaches the Infrastructure and Project Management Law, a module which we will clear in semester 1. And let me share with you a bit of the background story. It was that Prof needed to travel overseas and he couldn't make it for physical lesson. So he sent a poll in a Telegram group chat asking us which filter we would like to see for our recorded videos. And then, ta-da! We see the man in a very scary Winnie the Pooh filter. I mean, although it's scary, but I think it's pretty interesting for uni professors to do such a thing. And it actually makes my life more fun and engaging in uni. And not forgetting our Prof. Michael Chu, he teaches construction technology. And he's a very, very good dancer as well. I'm the girl in pink because I was absent for the presentation due to personal reason, but it's okay. I think that works as well. Okay, something more about my CCAs is that I stay in Raffles Hall, as mentioned, so I have a lot of hall CCAs. And on top of that, I'm also in the CDE Club Second Management Committee as the camp project director to plan for CDE Camp 2024. This club is only for CDE students, okay? And on top of that, I'm also a NUS Student Ambassador, whereby I attend outreach events, answer questions from both parents and students online. There are also many IPM students inside as well. And something more that I do out of my academic is that I also participate in a lot of outreach events, open house, CDE summer school, and even orientation camps. So these are only in CDE. Why should you choose IPM? As mentioned above, we have many opportunities available. And I think one very important thing about IPM is that we have very, very strong support system because all our professors, they are very passionate and they truly care for all of us in both our academic and our well-being. Our IPM staffs are also very responsive. Whenever you have any issues, just email ipm@nus.edu.sg. They give super fast reply and they really try their best to make your life in IPM as smooth sailing as possible. Not forgetting the career advisor that's in charge of IPM, they're also very dedicated and they always ask us on our career prospects and check with us. And moving on to the next point, we have also very interesting curriculum whereby we get to learn both the arts and the maths because we get to learn law such as contract management and also we get to learn how to do budget estimation for big projects. And if you are interested in robots, we also have a lot of robots in our 5G center. But the cutest one is definitely the robot dog. You have to see it for yourself. And next part is the most important thing for all of us as uni students. As the name says, infrastructure and project management. So we actually learn project management skills, which can allow us to pivot out of a variety of jobs easily because these are the soft skills that is required for almost everything, right? So some of the future opportunities for myself and you is that we get to go overseas student exchange program. And for myself, I'm going to University of Leeds this year, August. I'm very excited. And to go for our exchange programs, of course we need money, right? And I'm also currently applying for internship to LTA and Turner Townsend. Hopefully I get the results soon. Thank you and hope to see you in IPM.